Well, we have a dramatic main floor makeover to show you now. See how a home was redesigned and transformed from its 70s decor.
Walking into this house is just like stepping back into the 1970s. I love it. There are several different colors of broadloom throughout the house, multiple patterns of linoleum, and of course many paint colors. Now, as nostalgic as it is, the homeowner surprisingly wants to bring it into the 21st century. So there is some structural renovation to do in the kitchen for sure and all of the bathrooms, but really the house has great bones. So I'm going to help her with the decorative finishes and of course the paint colors. It's hard for me to believe that this is even the same house. What a difference, but the kitchen itself is the biggest transformation, I would have to say. The homeowner, to make it more conducive to today's lifestyle, took down a few walls to make the kitchen truly feel like the heart of the home. It's nice and long and modern and spacious, lots of storage, and for consistency, the perfect white for the walls was simply white, which was used throughout. But for a little hit of an accent color, chalkboard paint in black is a fun little whimsical detail for this area. Now, the flooring was all updated, getting rid of that mishmash of different colored carpets and replaced with this beautiful, large, wide, white oak plank. I love it. It has this nice little rustic touch to this overall contemporary space. Now, the biggest transformation for carpet was getting rid of that red carpet in the family room. It made the fireplace look pink. Getting rid of that, now the fireplace is a beautiful feature, and we accented it with Chelsea gray. In the foyer, the traditional wrought iron rail was replaced with this nice sleek stainless steel one. And the stairs themselves, once the carpet was removed, the homeowner painted each of the treads in black with latex floor and patio paint. So black is used again on the doors for a nice contemporary feel and throughout some of the accessories and artwork. Now here in the living room, I love the large charcoal gray sectional sofa. It's nice and low, contemporary, very cozy, and because it's low, it allows all the natural light to come into this space. Before, it was really dark and actually underlit, but with the addition of pot lights and a nice new chandelier, it really makes the space feel so much lighter and airier. Black and white is a great base to be able to add color through all of your favorite artwork. But you want to prevent the white and black from feeling too cool, so incorporate antique pieces and a mixture of different woods to bring warmth and add that personal touch.